Hey dudes, check this out. On my dump trailer. No ga. Okay. Got quite a bit of this rust jacking. Rust jacking off the top layer there. Look at that weld. That's a good one. But maybe some pickling's in order here. Not sure. Little pickle, little paint. But one thing's for sure, regardless of all that, look at the wiring. Holy dude. Yeah. 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 Yep. So I'm starting to wonder if that's some of the reason why the wire no worky, why the light's no worky. Oh dear, that's disappointing. Yeah. But anyways, we got a little bit of the package. It was just pouring rain this morning, and the Upas dick, I don't want to say it's the Upas dick, could have been a per order dick or some other dick, can pars or whatever, but yeah, they don't seem to want to knock or ring the bell or anything. They just want to leave your package out in a thunderstorm. Good thing it's just a pure washer. And we got the freaking Grand Falls pressure washer plus 100-foot soft pressure hose from Giraffe Tools. So we'll crack that open, set her up, and maybe we'll try her out on the projectile there, dump trailer. Nice. Oh, that was a lot of work. Holy. Get that sign down or whatever, the friggin' whiteboard there. Nelson wasn't ever going to do anything on the list anyway, so whatever, hey? But yeah, she's friggin' plumbed in, wired in, mounted to the wall, structural components. It's got some, not really sure about this here wand holster. Kind of makes it a little bit decked, I think. But it's got a soap dispenser. If you never even saw. Where are you looking? Where are you even looking, dudes? But yeah, there's that and this and stuff. So anyways, I got the dump trailer set up outside in accordance to friggin' giving her a little bit of a chooch. So let's turn this thing on, I suppose, and see what happens. Must be like an automatic choocher onto it. Nice. Oh my God. probably enough dicking around. Like, I gotta put the lights on this thing. I fucking piss around with the power washer, but good enough for inwood, probably. Let's check out the wind in action. It's got some type of the wind and spool valve onto it. Oh yeah. Look at her go. Oh, she got all fucking compawampus. So I just ordered one of these Bastardos off of the Amazons there. Pretty good deal, and it's all, you know, sealed unit and this and that, but it come with this instructions, so that's handy. All the different layouts of the stovepipe. Keep your secrets on track there, but yeah, that's what I did on the other trailer too. Works way more awesomer. Anyways, I'll get that screwed on there. We'll cut off all the old wiring and friggin' get rid of all that rusty conduit and see what happens. Look at my friend. Look at him. Careful. Careful, friend. Try to escape. Look how funny he is. Okay. Okay, you go. I'm gonna put you in the long grass. Come in the long grass so you don't get smidged. That's how I found him. I almost stepped on him. But this trailer, boys, oh no. It's not near time. Not near time to do the wiring. All this conduit's all rotted off. Went in to grab the angle grinder and then I got distracted. Now I'm just remembering now why I went in there in the first place. And I found a toad and then the wires and everything. We got the new plug on there. New friggin' brake McSiggerter. Nice. New friggin' carrot beaner. Friggin' carrot beaner on there. Hooks up into the box right there. All we gotta do is reconchelate some wires. Not a big deal. It's gonna be awesome. One day I'm gonna get the traptor on this and bend that back too. It'll be great. And yeah, I think that was the hobo. You know how good he is at tying stuff down and, you know, doing stuff. He's, you know, trying to help. But it's better to just, you know, if you don't know what's going on, you should just, like, let the guy whose shit it is deal with it, and then everything's copacetic. But he wants to, oh, I got the jack, so he cranks the jack up like 2 turns, so the thing's still totally freaking down big time. And, yeah, I backed up over a curb or a freaking manhole cover or something and just chaseled my jack. Sorry! You know, oh, that's cool, bro. No big deal. You're astute. Well, without further beknownst, look at this. Fixed her up. Got her all attached in a bunch of different places. Got my new box, my new wire. Got all the old shit laying all over the ground big time. We're just burning a couple tires in an old washing machine across the road. No big deal. Eh? No big deal. That smells awesome. Eh? Almost like a friggin' Yuletide magnesium lawnmower fire or something. I'll grab that piece of wood, get that out from under there. Those are safety board there. Safety third and inwood, probably. Sometimes I try my best, but other times not so much. We should see what the phone's doing. It was nice and cool this morning. It was awesome. I dumped the dump truck off at the friggin' shop there because it no dump no more. And I mean, I had Nelson come over last year and friggin' tear it all apart, and he doesn't know what's wrong with it, so that's not good. There's bullshit there for a minute. Nice cool this morning. Oh, start doing stuff? Hot.
Yeah. almost finished doing stuff. Cold.
Yeah, almost all the friggin' trailer lights are working now.
Nice.
Yeah.
Forgot there's no belt on this thing.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
That's probably why the power steering and shit don't work.
Yeah, it was shredded to shit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's
probably what happened.
no.
Oh yeah, shit, there's still one wire. Fuck! Put everything away, boys. Got one wire under there, but it's starting to rain, so we'll call it that. I'll clean up my mess there and we'll call it a cigarette.